Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you're all doing well. Today we are going to learn about the NPWP, Indonesian Tax Identification Number. Let's get started. NPWP or Tax Identity Official. It is very important for you if you have this card, so it makes easy for you if you to handling anything. But if you don't have it, you have to pay more for everything, especially the anything to related government. You have to pay more for this case. But if you have this and then you can pay lower than you don't have this NPWP or tax identification number. You can see in here the card of this tax identification number like this. You can see in here, if you request to or create, you can get card like this. What the benefit if you have this card tax identification number or NPWP in Indonesia? Number one, official tax identity. NPWP acts like an ID card for all taxation matters. Every tax administration process requires it. Okay, every tax administration process requires it. So better you have this card, so it makes you easy to handling everything. Number two, the benefits of having this card: simplifies administrative processes. For example, if you want to open account bank, you need this card. If you want to apply for loans or credit, you need this card. For handling business legality, notary deeds or property transaction, you also need this. If you want to establish company, for example, like limited liability company, you need this card. You need this card, and this card as one of requirements for notary deed. Number three, the benefit of having this card: avoids higher tax rates. If you have this, you can pay lower. Okay, without an NPWP, income tax or PPH can be 20% higher than normal rates. Okay, I hope you have this card. Number four, the benefits of having this card: access to tax rights. If you have this card, so you can enjoy certain tax facilities or incentive, and you can request tax refunds. Okay, for example, a company estimates its yearly tax obligation at 200 million, and you have to pay tax every year 200 million. If you have this card, NPWP, you just pay the tax only 180 million. It means the company which you works has overpaid 20 million rupiah. Okay, for example, like that. If you have this card, so you just pay tax just 180 million. But if you don't have this card, you have to pay full 200 million rupiah. And you can also enjoy certain tax facilities. For example, if you have a small business like micro, small, or medium enterprise, and the annual revenue in your business still under or below 500 million rupiah, according to Indonesian tax law, income below that threshold is not subject to final tax income. This means your business can enjoy a tax exemption up to that limit, because your annual revenue still under 500 million, so you get a tax exemption. You don't need to pay a tax. Next, the benefits of having NPWP number 5 enhances business credibility. For a company, having an NPW proves legality and tax compliance, making them more trusted by bank, investors, and business partners. Okay? All of these benefits, if you have NPWP number, Indonesian Tax Identification Number, and the procedure for making an NPWP or tax identification number in Indonesia is quite straightforward. Okay, number 1, step by step of processing for making this card. Number 1, determine the type of NPWP. You want to create this card for individual or corporate because it has a different. Individual, for example, you are as employer, freelancer, or entrepreneurs for you. And for corporate, you have a company limited liability, and your company also need this card. Okay, number 2, prepare and require documents. You need to prepare the document required, and the aim of for this card so different the requirement for individual, for companies it has a different requirements. For individual, you need or you have to prepare passport, KTP for Indonesians, and for companies you need company deed, decree of Ministry of Law and Human Rights for limited liability company, business licenses, copy of director's ID card. Next, after you have completed that requirement, so you need to submit the application via online or offline. If offline, you have to visit the nearest tax office or KPP according to your domicile. But for online, you just register through the official DGP, Directorate General of Taxes, and the website ereg.pajak.go.id. After you submitting the application, next you need to verification process. The tax officer will check and verify your documents. If the documents are complete and valid, the NPWP will be issued. Okay, after that you receive the NPWP. You will get an NPWP card, physical card if offline, or digital card if online. The NPWP is active immediately after issuance. Okay, I think enough for explanation about the benefits of having this card and how making this card. If you have any question about this NPWP, Indonesian Tax Identification Number, you can comment on below in this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video to your friends. See you next time and goodbye.